Hi guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your WeChat account on your mobile device. If you already have an existing account on WeChat, then now you can log in using your password that you have set while creating your account. The process is pretty simple and straightforward, so all you have to do is watch this video and follow the simple steps. First, go to your WeChat application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. If you already have an existing account, then you will land onto an interface like this. Here you will be able to see your profile picture, and below it you will be able to see your mobile digit. So if you think the account belongs to you, then you can go to the password field and enter the password that you have set while creating your account. Or you can log into your account via SMS verification code. In order to do that, you just have to go to this option, login via SMS verification code, and tap on it. By doing this, your phone will receive an SMS verification code sent by the application. Then you just have to paste the verification code on the verification field. If this doesn't help, then you can go to the more option and tap on it. As you will be directed to another page, you will have to enter your region and your phone digit. Once done, go and tap on next. Then enter your phone digit and password that you have set while creating your account. Once done, go and tap on login. And then once you land onto an interface like this, you will have successfully logged into your WeChat account on your mobile device. So if you ever have difficulty logging into your account, then these are some few ways that you can try. Now, if you ever change your mind and you want to log out of your account, then you can just go to the bottom right corner and tap onto the Me option here. This will take you to your profile page. Now here you can go and tap onto the settings option that is at the bottom of your screen. On the settings page, if you scroll down, you can see the logout option right below the switch account option. So if you tap on log out, you will be logged out of your WeChat account. This will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.